On one hand, the responsibility imposed on the Prophet should be experienced in these rare moments. What a wonderful news! May God, the Merciful, grant you success on this difficult path.
So what happened next?
Can you tell me who that woman was? She was the first to believe in the Prophet.
I think the first woman to believe is Lady Khadija.
And who was the first man?
I don't know. Weren't you?
The first man to believe was of your age at that time.
He was of my age?
Yes, my son.
Look there. What are they doing?
It looks like they are praying.
Who are those people?
That woman is his wife. That child is his brother Ali.
Under this sky, no one believes in the religion of Muhammad except these two.
Just look at how beautifully they are worshipping.
They will stop doing this soon. If Muhammad had continued his trade, he would have been among the rich today.
I am amazed that Khadija is not stopping her husband from doing this, but is encouraging him.
If the people of Quraysh had more or less kept an eye on him, but did not pay any attention to the Prophet and his few followers, and they were waiting for the followers of the Holy Prophet to say goodbye to the new religion, and Prophet will be left alone. Quraysh's chiefs used to break their silence and discuss in this regard.
Peace be upon the chiefs of Quraysh.
I did not expect this from you, bin Nawfal. You are one of the wisest people in Arabia. Why do you allow your niece, Khadija, a dignified Arab woman, to obey her husband so much? I am scared. Do you know what I'm afraid of?
No. What are you afraid of?
I am afraid that sooner or later Khadija will dedicate all her wealth and status to Muhammad's strange deeds.
It is written in the holy books about the last prophet. Muhammad is true. To this day no one has heard a lie from him. I don't know why you guys don't believe him.
That is enough for their truth.
Umayyah, you have read the books of the scholars. He is a prophet of God.
Which God do you know? I have no doubt about the truth of Muhammad. But his intellect is in doubt. In my opinion, Muhammad is either crazy or a magician. In these two cases, I have nothing to do with the madmen, and I have nothing to do with the cult of sorcerers.
Congratulations to the Umayyads. You really stated your purpose in a good way. Anyway, we have nothing to do with the religion of Muhammad.
But that is not the answer to my question, Umayyah. You have read many books of Christians, using justice and dignity, saying that the attributes of Muhammad do not correspond to the prophet who has been promised to come. Why have you turned a blind eye to the truth?
Let's talk about something else. Let's have a drink. What Muhammad has brought is not so important for which we should talk more. What he said is not important.
On the contrary, it is very important to me. Denying the truth is not the sign of intelligence. If you don't take it seriously, you will inevitably run into many problems.
This Muhammad is my nephew. I have never been unaware of the power of the Quraysh. My prediction is that he too will join the caravans of the forgotten people. This is my belief. Otherwise, he and his companions will be annihilated in an instant.
I don't know why my heart is trembling. I feel that Muhammad will do something soon. If bin Nawfal is right, this calm atmosphere will not last forever.
The Holy Prophet was waiting for God's command so that he could start his public invitation. Although this act could have caused animosity between him and other Muslims and the chiefs of Mecca. So the Lord of Glory said,
O beloved, let us declare a great breach of what you have been commanded to do, and do not pay attention to the polytheists. We are certainly sufficient to deal with them.
Hey, what happened? Let's go. Let's hurry and see what happened.
Someone has shouted from Mount Saba. It seems that these people have started attacking Mecca.
This phrase was used as a warning in Arab culture.